Wizkid finally opens up about his relationship with his sons and their mothers. Kidwire publicly shut down breakup rumors as he showers Erica with love. Crazy reasons why Davido gifted his fans 6.3 million. My correct people them how on day. This one at Wizkid till 3 children wey in come talky about as many a times things don dey fly about him and him baby mama wey be Mama Zion wey dem dey call her say Jada Pokelock. No be small thing o, so e can look like say maybe na her pikin wey dey answer Zion na im Wizkid Coco con love pass, as e come be say every time na him na im Wizkid dey posy for Instagram. Una know say na him and him mama dey still dey, and even right now come be like say Wizkid dey base for UK, so all of them dey dey for the same house together. So at all na im bad pass na this in boy wey dem dey call am say Zion, na im dey go always dey together. Once in a while dem fit play around, take photo, and im go feel say this photo fine o, make I post am for IG, but people no go dey see am like that. They go dey feel like say na only Zion na im carry for head like gala, say he no dey care about other of his childrens as he no dey with their mama again. Na im Wizkid come talk say child, many things don dey fly for inside internet about him life, and he no dey like to react about any of them. Say as e be so e bless say e don reach time wey im go begin dey put small reactions for inside some of the things wey dey fly for social media with a name on top. So na it.
There's been a lot of mad stories about me, Wizkid.
Yeah. There's been a lot.
There's been too much, and what I do is, because I never really respond to situations, people tend to believe in this, that. But for me, I just believe in the real shit. Like, if I have a great relationship with my kids, I'm taking care of them and I'm working to better their lives and the kids after them. I'm doing my job.
That's your legacy, isn't it?
I'm doing my job. Like, I don't need to show the world.
So finally, me I Coco sound like say Wizkid don't really give us answer to why he no dey like to dey react to things for social media. Example, he say as far as say he get better relationship with him children, he no need to come give anybody any explanation. Say say as e be o, say as e be o. As far as say he know say the real thing, wetin he suppose do na he dey do. Na him go everly continue to dey do, and he no need to come do any other extra thing. Say he won't please anybody, he no go try am. So because most of the time people they always wonder say now wow, wetin dey share like this, things go dey come out, some kind things Wizkid will never respond. Even though be yourself no say Wizkid will never respond. He even talk am for interview recently, say Wizkid never responds, he never responds. So him be no dey expect even anything from Wizkid after him congratulate am for him album. So Wizkid say no, he no dey respond, but he just need to like clear up some things, because this one has to do with his children. Be say you come dey talk some kind thing, say they care for other of his children. No, that he has a great relationship with all of his children. Una know say if no be true, in baby mamas go surely come internet come rant, but nobody dey rant. Alright, so my correct people them. Obio don't do am again. Obio don't give him fan necklace wey be say worth 6.3 million naira. So as the guy they cry, hey, no be small thing. I saw this fan base of a thing. The thing don't turn business, so people don't they cash out anyhow. The guy draw Davido tattoo for him body like this, so now all this goodness and mercy come dey follow am. No be small thing, no. So more una watch. Abeg when una no vex, una no go fit watch ma do the interpretation, because this video so you go get copyright claim. So these two guys they invite them come Beat FM, so they just sit down, they enjoy themselves. They ask them say, what if Obio walk into this room now? How will you feel? Guy man never even fit answer the question finish before Obio come walk into the room. Guy man see am, he wan jar. So wetin dey para, wetin dey shele, wetin dey pa. na my OBO be this. Why carry and design myself? Carry and draw map for my body everywhere. Na my OBO be this. No be smart, Finally, OBO come. You know they joke with him fans. Lie. They always make them happy. I think they like to they put joy for people's faces. So he can't they greet the guy. The guy was so happy. He can't they show him all the tattoo. Even for inside lab self, guy man draw tattoo of Davido. Now wow, and Davido come on necklace, come put am for neck. Guy man won't buy. No be small thing, So we get this kind of fans for Nigeria too. I think say na only Oyibo dey emotional like this, so now then they carry this fan thing for head like this, so because you never carry hungry for head finish. You never carry wetin our government they do us for head finish. Now celebrity won't go carry for head. Anyway, he was so happy. Now be put me hand for shoulder like this. Una sure say no be dream I dey dream. Say they put me necklace. And that necklace is worth 6.3 million naira. At all, if you carry and go sell for market, anyhow, even if Malam say you want cheat am, we want carry head same gari, you don't go fit sell at less than 4 million naira. But if Malam no one carry head same gari, that necklace at all suppose worth that 6 million something. Where they don already value am at, and they also talk say im go hang out with Davido for this weekend. Guy man won't buy. Then they come and say whether I need any other thing. Say no, just Davido alone don't do am.
Water? Do you need water? Anything. This one is enough for me. Okay. Yes. Let's.
So Kiddwaya and Erica, they be small enjoyment session. They just enjoy, they hang out with each other. No be small thing. I see them here, they spot them for hotel. Kiddwaya say, I know sir, I don't go enjoy for Obodo Oyibo, but I don't come back. Na me and my girl, we go they do the enjoymentation together. No be small thing. My correct people them. When I know say Erica don be ambassador for 2 major brands, Star Ragla Beer and also Legend. And even that evening, Davido they do a music hearing, ceremony. See Davido this side with him people, but Kiddwaya still say at all na him bad pass. My guy they do occasion, my babe they do occasion. Me I no go fit leave any of them. I gats go show them love. Even all this already they say me and my babe don't break up, I gats go there at least dey with her at all na him bad pass. Then I go still come out go hang out with my guy. Like Kiddwaya show, like it shows say Erica na my personal. He show the people where like even me too, because that time when they unfollow each other, when they see say wetin dey happen, wetin dey para, wetin dey shele, maybe they know they again, but just prove to everybody say see, bad as it bad, me and whole side with this girl, me and this girl we deal. And I don't they see say these people their relationship, the thing they go where they go, they go where they go. It's just that Kiddwaya here just the pipe low, one talk. They just they say friend. Even Nengi and also they never really come back and talk anything. But not at all, na him bad pass. Wedding bell must ring inside next year. Prince own and Dorothy no ring. Kiddwaya and Erica own go ring. Or Ozo and Nengi must ring. Bell must ring inside that next year. It must ring. Alright, my correct people, thank you for watching.